in summertime. And I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, 'cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Hello my friends, and welcome back to today's video. We are doing a fall clean and undecorate with me here in 2021. So I'm going to be going ahead and taking down all of my fall decor in today's video and just cleaning all of the surfaces that the fall decor was on so that we can go ahead and get ready to start decorating for my favorite holiday, which is Christmas. So I'm really excited to share lots of cleaning motivation in today's video. So make sure that you watch through the end, as I am sharing lots of before and after shots in today's video as well. So as you can see, we did start in my master bedroom, and I just went ahead and took our sheets off as it was time to wash those. I'm not gonna lie, it was long overdue. So here is your gentle reminder to go ahead and strip your bedding if you haven't done it in a while and get it all clean.
From the first time I saw ya, you were not like the others, a cool kind of melody. You rattled my cage without warning, kept it up right till the morning, a new kind of ecstasy. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah.
So now we have moved into the main bathroom, and I am so excited to be just mixing up some Thieves cleaner here in this little glass jar. I finally got some of the jars off of Amazon, and I ended up ordering the small ones and I didn't realize it. So this bottle, by the time you're watching this video and I'm actually doing this voiceover, it is like, I think there's a quarter of the bottle left. So I have been absolutely loving this Thieves cleaner. It smells amazing and it does not give me a headache when I clean. That is one thing that I find when I use chemicals in my house is I do get really bad headaches, and obviously that's not good, but I have been liking this Thieves cleaner. And now we're just gonna go ahead and take some of this little fall accent pieces off of the shelf here, which was just my soap. And then I'm gonna go ahead and use Windex to clean my mirror using a coffee filter. Now, if you have not tried this coffee filter hack, you must try it. It is incredible for getting rid of all of the grossness on your mirrors, your windows, all the things, and it leaves it completely streak free. Next up, I'm using some Clorox wipes just to wipe my daughter's little potty, as she is just kind of learning to use the potty now.
You're changing me, day by day got me shedding skin. The layers are peeled away, got me moving through time and space. Your magic can't be erased, can't be erased. You found a different side of me, the one I'd like to be, a different side of me, yeah, yeah. You found a different side of me, like someone pretty neat, a different side of me, yeah, yeah.
So as I was cleaning the house, I wanted to stop and share our robot vacuum, Dudley, going to town. I absolutely love this robot vacuum. I let it run daily and it cleans up so much hair. It's actually insane. Now we are moving on and starting to take down the fall decor, and I am so excited to share with you guys my Christmas decorate and clean with me, which will be up on my channel I think next week. I am sharing a Christmas clean, bake, and shop with me, which will be my next video. So stay tuned for that and make sure that you are subscribed, as I have lots and lots of incredible content coming for you guys this holiday season.
I'm sick of love songs, I'm tired of this, and I wanna tell you straight just like it is. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless. I'm out of patience, I'm out of feels, but I guess I'm waiting around for something real. I'm going crazy, like what's the deal? 'Cause I want you to show me what you feel. You're watching me like you want me, but you're still holding back, still holding back. Honestly, you're annoying me with the way that you keep playing. Show me your love like it is, like it is. Bend open my heart like you're fearless. Steal all the gold you can get, you can get. Show me your love, leave me breathless, breathless.
So as you can see, I was just moving through the main living area here and using my favorite wood cleaner, which is by Method in the almond scent. And here's a little after shot. I just love sharing after shots with you guys. It is just so satisfying to me when I'm cleaning and just sharing that with you. So I hope that you guys enjoy those. Moving on to our dining area, I'm going ahead and giving our kitchen table a really good clean before we move on and tackle the space behind me there, which is just a little nook in our dining area. So we're gonna go ahead and take down all of those decorations shortly.
She pulls the trigger and I'm just blown away downright. My mind's indifferent to know what's wrong or right. Her bite is bittersweet 'cause I'm stuck between her lines. She silenced me with words that shouldn't be combined. Oh, I can't go on. Yeah, I must be strong 'cause I'm weighing us down. Just a little bit of you and I combined to make things right. I know you see me too, baby. I just want you badly now. Everything I feel is shown. There's nowhere I can hide. I can see myself falling, crashing down.
So I also wanted to share my little bin system with you. As you can see, I am placing all of our fall decor in this bin, and I don't have very much for fall decor, as again, I don't really decorate a whole ton for different seasons other than Christmas. And then when we do decide to purchase a house, like, let's be real, I'll go all out. But for now, it's really just about keeping things very simple here in our house and just trying not to clutter too many things. So in the bins, my system is very simple. What I do is I again just place everything in the bins and then I have everything labeled. Now in our old house, we had everything stored in our garage and we had a beautiful system. It was actually placed like up top. There was shelving in there and it was incredible. But in our house here, it is actually just stored in a part of our basement that we just don't use, as we don't have a garage in this house. We don't have have anywhere to put it. And so unfortunately, it is just kind of stored there for now. But you know what? It works. And hopefully in the near future, we will be able to make a decision and decide where we're going to be and know where we want to buy a house. But I would love to know, how do you store your Christmas decor, your fall decor, and just all of your extra clutter and stuff that you don't have organized throughout your house?
Tell me that you're gonna be there all the way. Tell me that you're gonna be there all the way. Even out the odds, it's not rational, baby. In the wrinkles of your palms lies my destiny. I don't have a choice.
Just a little bit of you and I go right to make things right. I know you see me too, baby. I just want you, baby, now.
Everything I feel is yours. There's nowhere I can hide. I can see myself falling, crashing down. I'm not in love with all the love that we've got. I'm not in love with 0.5 of all the love that we've got. I'm not in love with 0.5 of all the love that we've got.
I sat down by the ocean. It's that tears that I feel up with emotions. Could I taste them for real? Longing for you, longing for you. Oh, but I can't get back. What can I do? What can I do when your train is gone? I don't wanna go back, back. Don't wanna go back. If you are not with me, hey, do you read me? Go back, back to where we came from. If my hands are empty, hey, do you read me? Go back. I don't wanna go alone. Go back.
So I just went ahead and used my thieves cleaner to kind of really quickly spot clean my kitchen cabinets. And now I'm just going to share a quick overview of the house here. It was a lot later in the day, and as you can see, the lighting is not very good in my bedroom. But I hope that you enjoyed this quick speed clean, and if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that red subscribe button to join our growing YouTube family, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I know you want the best for me. Your intentions are good. I walk by